Stark Street en Portland y en el 9515 Southeast 82 Avenida en Happy Valley.
Tienda La Sabache ya abrió sus puertas.
Of course it's raining in Portland. What's new?
It was my only decision.
Executive right here.
I gotta clean the room.
I don't know what this is, but I'll keep it.
Know when to fold up, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done.
That was underwhelming.
This ain't what you want.
FedEx really did me dirty, man. I'm just gonna change my name. How are you?
What's going on? I'm good, how are you?
Pretty good. Pretty good. We're just hanging out.
He is too.
For real?
What?
I'm from Navasota.
Where's that?
Navasota, Texas.
What area is it?
Navasota. I'm in the country.
I'm in Laredo.
Laredo.
Oh, you don't know that either, huh? Man, we're gonna take a little nap. Man, you need a power nap? We need a power nap. A little disco nap, and then we'll be right out. Stay warm.
Where you from? Man, you got me on camera. You gonna have to pay me for that.
Gentlemen, welcome. Denver, the local time is about 4:30 p.m. On behalf of your crew, it's a pleasure to serve you today.
Just the brush buys. They don't have this type of stuff in Chino Hills. Alright, that should be good. People from California, they've never seen these before. Just made it, just in time. We made it right before the snowstorm. No delays, thankfully. We're gonna get some dinner before the show.
Hey, I remember you guys. Yeah.
Hold up, son. Word.
Niggas who ain't got no feelings.
I got this. Just watch my back. I got your front.
Check it out now. I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes to this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, someone should crop it, yeah. Imagine that, oh my god. No.
Art.